Although in order to form a contract, the agency needs three parties, which are principal, agent, and third party. But in order to form a contract, there are only two forms of contracts exist, which are contract between an agent and principal, and also contract between a principal and third party. As for the contract of agent and principal, the agency is the relationship that's created when the principal appoint another person called the agent to act on their behalf. The key part of an agency relationship is that the agents must be authorized before he or she can act on their behalf. Usually, this authorization is written down into a contract which details exactly what an agent can and cannot do, but it doesn't have to be. The principal-agency relationship is created in one of four ways, which are express agency, implied agency, apparent agency, and also agency by ratification. As for the express agency, the principal and agent will sign a contract or even make an oral contract whereby the principal instructs the agent to make decisions on their behalf. Here, the agents will do any works that the principal order them to do. Signing a retainer with an attorney is a good example of an express agency. In this type of agency, as long as the agent stays within the scope of the contract, the principal will be bound by the agent's decisions. Next, as for the implied agency, the principal-agency relationship is referred from the conduct of the parties. The mechanic scenario is a classic example of this type of agency. As for the apparent agency, it's quite tricky. It only arises when the principal leads a third party to believe that an agent has authority to act on behalf of the principal, but the principal has not actually given the agency such authority. In this case, the principal will make the third party believe that the agent will be the part of a principal's works. Therefore, the third party will believe that any works will be done by the agents on behalf of the principal. An agency by ratification is actually the opposite of what most people understand the agency to be. It happens when someone misrepresents himself as another's agent. Agency arises when the principal approves or ratifies the deal after the fact.